Your RV's solar charger works automatically, so there are no buttons to press or settings to manage. It provides a small trickle charge that helps support the house batteries throughout the day, but it cannot fully recharge depleted batteries. Performance will vary depending on sunlight, cloud cover, shade, the time of year, and where the RV is parked. When dry camping, the house batteries power the lights, water pump, refrigerator, furnace fan, and other 12-volt systems, so it's important to monitor the battery level every day. Begin each evening with the batteries fully charged, and avoid allowing the battery level to drop below 50%. To recharge, run the generator for approximately 3 to 5 hours, or idle the engine for approximately 2 to 3 hours. Driving for at least 2 hours will provide a meaningful recharge, although reaching around 80% may take up to 4 hours, and a full charge may take longer. While the generator is running, use that time for higher power appliances, such as the microwave, and for charging phones or laptops. Keep campground quiet hours in mind when planning generator use. To reduce battery use, avoid setting the refrigerator to its maximum cooling level. During extended dry camping, plan to connect to shore power approximately every third day so the batteries can fully recharge.